Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm sharing with you the Designer Series paper reveal for the Snail Mail Designer Series paper in the Stampin' Up! January to June mini catalog. This Designer Series paper is a 12 by 12 double-sided Designer Series paper stack and includes the following colors: Basic Gray, Bermuda Bay, Blushing Bride, Daffodil Delight, Real Red, and Basic White. You can see it's got these super cute patterns with the toadstools and the snails, and since I know we're sending lots of snail mail, or at least I am these days, then I find these images to be so super cute. They also remind me of Gary from SpongeBob, and I watched SpongeBob a lot as a kid, so that is super fabulous. And the color combinations for this is something that I don't know that I would choose myself, like the Bermuda Bay and Real Red, but I am super loving that color combination, so it's helping me branch out into different color combinations. I'm going to show each of these sheets as the full 12 by 12 sheet so that you can get an idea of what the print actually looks like rather than just that little swatch in the catalog. Be sure to pick out your favorite one and let me know what it is in the comments below, and I'll share with you my favorite at the end. Okay, so did you pick out your favorite one? I would have to say my favorite one, even though I'm not a huge fussy cutter, I think is probably the ones with the snails, that then I can fussy cut out an image of one of the snails and pop it onto one of my projects. But I'm also super loving a lot of the solid prints, like this Bermuda Bay or the cute little hearts here or the squiggles and the dotted lines. Those just make excellent background images for any style of card. So I feel like this paper pack is very versatile in that sense because I can use those patterns for lots of different cards, whether they're masculine or feminine, and for any sort of occasion. So I can't wait to start playing with this paper pack, as well as the coordinating stamp set and other products that go with this suite. I will leave links down below for all of those so that you can check them out. Of course, don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for lots of great ideas and inspiration, and any of my other videos that I have here on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Happy stamping! Bye-bye!